In Green Bay, we're learning more about the city's surveillance system. As we first reported last week, the city's cameras were raising a privacy concern. Your Green Bay neighborhood reporter Tyler Jobe explains how several people have already requested video from those very devices.
Microphones were added to City Hall's surveillance system on the first and second floors between winter of 2021 and summer of last year. The issue is now full of controversy. It was brought up by Alderperson Chris Weary during last Tuesday's Common Council meeting.
City Council nor the public was advised of this spying, and not even simple signage warning of the intrusion was put in place. Nothing.
NBC 26 has learned through an open records request that two Green Bay law offices and City Alderperson Jennifer Grant requested footage from the surveillance for the dates of April 5th and November 8th of last year. April 5th was the spring election and November 8th was the general election.
I was contacted by a resident. There was an interaction between her and a staff member that was not a very pleasant one.
Grant was elected last spring. She says she went to the city's Human Resources Department on the matter and was offered to review footage of the incident. That's when she learned of the surveillance inside City Hall. In an email to the city attorney on November 9th, Grant requested footage of the first floor between noon and 12:45 p.m. on November 8th. Were you the only alderman aware of these recording devices?
I am not sure. I didn't speak to any other alderman about it. You know, when you're elected, you assume that things that are in place were done properly and legally and through the right process.
Last week, the Wisconsin Legislative Council issued a memo to State Senator Andre Jacques, who asked about the legality of the current surveillance setup at City Hall. The memo said without a surveillance sign posted, a court could rule a party did not consent being recorded. On Friday, the city said the memo noted that security cameras with audio abilities are legal. But in an email forwarded by Senator Jacques, a lawyer from the Legislative Council says the memo does not give an opinion on the legality of the surveillance system. We reached out to the city of Green Bay after hours tonight for comment on that lawyer's statement. On Monday, a state Senate attorney claimed the city's use of recording devices in City Hall is illegal and asked the mayor that the audio surveillance be shut down and all recordings get deleted. The city responded Tuesday denying that request. In Green Bay, Tyler Jobe, NBC 26.